Wicked. Just picked up a 1974 XL 100. The good thing about it is it's all there, with the exception of the seat, tank, speedometer, headlight. This is going to be an awesome project. I was always looking for a small little enduro to do a little trail riding with, something I can throw around. I think we got a winner here. Exception of the engine being locked up, because it was parked outside with no spark plug in here, which is good because that hole right there, when the rain gets in, it'll get down the cylinder and keep that all nice and clean in there. So that's what you want to do. You want to take your spark plugs out when you park these things. Let's get in a little closer. The spokes and the nipples are all, they're not rusty. I think if I can just take some steel wool on the rims themselves, this should shine up to be looking brand spanking new. Yep, got excellent wheels. Rebuild the forks someday. Let's sand the points down and see if we can get this motor unlocked and see if we get spark. Actually, yeah, first things first, let's see if we can get the motor unlocked. Well, since we're locked up, I'm just gonna put some penetrating oil down the fire hole here. Fill that guy up. And let her sit for a while and see if we can break this thing loose. And while that's doing its thing, I think I'm gonna take the carburetor apart, put that in the Ultrasonicator 5000, sand the points, and once she's broke loose, we'll see if we got spark. Do a little sanding on this guy. All right, let's go work on the carburetor. Carburetor looks to be in pretty decent shape. Gosh, I wonder why this thing was parked and parted out. It's a shame. Ah, we'll get working. I wonder what Ronnie DeVoe of Belle Biv DeVoe is up to nowadays. Vice grip garage show. Oops, slider's not stuck. Come on, baby, get off there. Maybe. Heck, I got the nut off. Why is this not coming off? All right, what am I doing wrong? Just for some reason, she's stuck on the side. Nothing at all wacky tricks, I guess. Get off there! You dirty dog, get off there. Okay, I'm grabbing the camera. There we go. What in the flip? There. All right, let's go take the sucker apart. Well, that's kind of neato. Use that little spring clip instead of screws to hold that thing on. Yeah. Not too bad. All right, let's get the jet out of here, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. We'll clean that guy up. And this little guy as well. Maybe. I got the right screwdriver. That should do. Please don't strip it. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, she's coming out. Piece of cake. Can of corn. Be careful, don't scuff that up. Nice. Parts, parts, parts. Make sure I put that back in the right direction. I've done that wrong before. Well, hopefully that floats. We'll find out. Okay, what do we got here? That guy. Holy Moses, the wind is nuts. Well, I think I got everything in the bowl region done. What else can we take off here? Choke works nice. Let's take the idle adjuster out. Maybe. Yep. Don't make sure I put that over there and lose that spring so I get mad at myself later. Take this little Yahoo out. Now, let's hope we can salvage the gasket, because I'm sure they don't have this over at Walmart. Ooh, that's crusty. I might have to just put that in there in the ultrasound or the ultrasonic cleaner for a bit and see if that can soften up. I don't want to tear that. Yeah, let's go throw it in the cleaner. El Pato. That's Spanish for the Pato. Okay, that's just warming up pretty good. Let's get a little soap in there. Got a little bit of lemon juice and vinegar in there as well. Well, let's clean this sucker up. A little more water maybe. And let's give her 15 minutes. Okay, let's see how everything turned out. Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Looks clean. Oh yeah. I think I wire brush that guy up a little bit and she should look like a brand new carburetor. Nice, 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 nice. Gasket, probably reuse. I think we're in business. Let's put the sucker back together. All right, let's see if we remember how to put the sucker back together. Hey, I wonder if that engine got unstuck. We'll go kick it here and see what happens. Let's see if this thing broke loose after sitting with the penetrating oil down the cylinder. Give it a little. Oh, hey, it moved. Oh, wicked. Nice! This is great. We're gonna get this sucker running today.
Have the condenser wired in here. Is that making a decent connection or not? And that's grounded. Engine's grounded. So we have got, should have power down to the points.
That you do.
Okay, and then that should, and that circuit should close if those points are operating.
Oh,
Yep.
oh, I see spark.
Yep.
Hey, we got spark. Spark plug back in, carb rebuilt. We got spark. Yeah. Go for a ride later on it?
Yep.
You got some way to
You can hold it.
rig up a seat to it?
Yeah, rig up a seat, hold this gas can in your left arm. Have to put a old lever there.
Oh, I'll need to make
so you get
I'll need to
clutch.
make a clutch lever. Don't need brakes. So what'd you do over here when I had the camera off?
Take the cover off.
Oh yeah, put the drill right on there and give her a crank.
This is the starter.
Electric starter. Sounds like it has compression. We just need some
petroleum.
petroleum. Oh, good to go. Well,
Double sure we're getting spark here. Spark sparking?
I'm not seeing spark now. No spark. So we were thinking it was a bad. So we were thinking it was a bad battery, or a low battery.
Battery's dead.
Hmm?
Try it again.
Yeah.
Okay, ignition. Contact.
Electric starter.
Fire in the hole. Okay, let's see. Whoa!
Wicked.
Thing's gonna run.
Look at that. Oh, time to go for a ride. Time to go for a ride. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. We probably should put oil in it. Oh man, how long has this been sitting here? That probably wasn't the smartest idea. Ah, there was enough. I think there's something in there.
Really?
No, there's nothing in there. What in the heck is going on out here? Dude, calm down. I'm making a video. I'm not messing with your special lady. Where'd you go? Hey, look. Dude, you're a good-looking rooster, aren't you? Holy cow. Hey, buddy. Where are you going? Hey, you gonna mouth off like that? You gonna run away? Huh? All right, don't worry. Not taking your eggs. It's cool. Dude, where are you going? Hey, look. Left you food. What are you doing there? Oh, making a professional battery box for it.
Professional.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Really nice. You know, red green's got duct tape. You could be the red green of tie straps.
Yep. One that way, or I'm thinking some gorilla tape around it. Be good to go. So that's good. We got it running, and we got all the safety concerns addressed. We got the battery there, and the gas tank is mounted. So yeah, I think we're good to go. Test drive. So yeah, that was a fun ride. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with this guy yet. Do I want to do a complete nut and bolt original restoration on it, or do I want to modify it here and there and make a great trail bike out of it? I've got an idea. It's kind of a naughty idea. I might be doing an engine swap on it, which is kind of a shame since this motor seems to be in great condition, but I don't know. I guess you're going to have to subscribe if you want to see what happens to this guy in the near future. I'll have a build series on it. Probably not right away since I'm working on a few other projects, but trust me, it's coming. I think I'm gonna go take this for a ride. See you next week.